Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential.
So, you'd like to learn more about SigniFlow for Microsoft Office 365, our free add-in that enables you to directly send documents for signing in SigniFlow from Outlook, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. To use the Microsoft Office add-ins, you will have to either add it to your business application store if you are a Microsoft system admin, or request that your company system admin does this themselves. You will find an installation guide under the Software tab in your profile once you have logged into your SigniFlow account. Our Microsoft add-in was developed with collaboration in mind. Using Microsoft's collaboration features, you can easily edit and finalize your documents with partners and clients from around the world, and then upload them to SigniFlow for signing. Step 1. Once you're happy with your document, simply save it and head over to the SigniFlow tab in the top ribbon and select the Send to SigniFlow option. Step 2. You will be asked to enter your account details into the text box. When done, click on Continue. If you are a SigniFlow user with accounts on multiple servers, you will be asked to select which SigniFlow server you'd like to connect to. If you do not know which server your company is working on, please contact a SigniFlow administrator or our help desk. Step 3. Enter your SigniFlow password and when done, select Log In. Step 4. Upload your document to SigniFlow. Step 5. A window will open taking you to your SigniFlow login screen. Log in. Step 6. Once logged in, the document you uploaded will open in a workflow. Step 7. You can complete your workflow and have your document signed by the intended individuals. To learn more about workflows, please visit our Creating Workflows module on SigniFlow Academy. This process is exactly the same in the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint versions of the add-in. Next, let's look at uploading a document in Microsoft Outlook using the SigniFlow add-ins, as this is slightly different. Here is an email containing multiple attachments. If the email you selected has only one attachment, the process will be similar to what has been shown already. Step 1. Open the email with the attachment you want signed. Step 2. Click on the SigniFlow icon in the Outlook navigation bar. The process is the same as that which has already been shown for login and server selection. Step 3. For instances, when you have multiple attached documents, you can select which document you want to upload in the Please select a file drop-down. Step 4. A window will open taking you to your SigniFlow login screen. Step 5. Once logged in, the document you uploaded will open in a workflow. Step 6. Complete your workflow and have your document signed by the intended individuals. Again, if you'd like to learn more about workflows, please visit our Creating Workflows module in SigniFlow Academy. That is how you use SigniFlow's Microsoft 365 add-ins.
Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.